So if you're into crypto art, whether creative or collector, then there's a couple of sites you need to know. Because this is crypto art, all transactions happen on-chain, and with a little info from the marketplace platforms, it means a lot of data is available to be able to track buyers and sellers, and that information can be valuable to both creators and collectors alike when needing to make decisions. These sites are cryptoart.io and cryptoartpulse.com. CryptoArtPulse is a data feed crypto art tracker founded by Maddie of DCL Blogger. It updates near real time about sales happening in the scene from curated crypto art platforms SuperRare, Maker's Place, Known Origin, Async Art, select OpenSea creators, and I believe Nifty Gateway in the future. You can search for particular artists to get a feel for their history and growth, toggle for secondary market only, and use the tabs to order hierarchy. You can then link off to their artworks. The next site is cryptoart.io. It is built by Richard Chen. It also aggregates latest artwork sold from the top platforms, but what I find more useful is the top artist rank. It has a leaderboard of crypto artists ranked on sales turnover. It lists their total artwork value based on sales turnover, their artwork sold, highest sale, and average sale. You can then link to their page to see further data on particular artworks and dates. The data tab also has a load of interesting volume data to give you an indication of movement and trend direction over time. After chatting with the founder, they also intend to add a chart for top collectors and other features soon. Using this data as research, you can discover what particular artists are doing and compare that approach with other artists to find what approach and platform might suit you the best as either an artist or a collector.